What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm going to keep this one really brief. Just do a market recap. I didn't cut things on. I just got through filming some stuff for next week. I had a licensed professional in here. We're going to be talking about some foundational stuff that we need to have in our portfolios, okay? Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe. You guys know that. And for those of you that has purchased the merch this week, it has been awesome. But Teesprings actually gave a code. The code is back to school. If you use that from now until tomorrow night, which is Monday night, midnight, you'll get an additional 10% off. So Teesprings is running that. A lot of you guys love the dumb money woke for you ape nations, for you AMC apes. A lot of you guys have been purchasing that, and we appreciate you guys. We're going to do exactly what we said we were going to do with this money as far as charity. Be sharing that with you later. Let's go right into it. So we know that if you've been following my page, I always say if there's a lot of hype around an IPO, then it's going to be overpriced at open. And Robinhood was no exception to the rule. Robinhood was hyped up so much till it pushes it over its price. And that's what happens when you have a lot of hype pre-merger. You get a lot of new money and they're itching and they don't care what price it is. They want it at open. And then within minutes, it falls. And it happened to just about every overhyped big IPO this year. And I knew that Robinhood was no exception. All right. So we missed that one. Generally, it takes me personally, I wait about at least a week to find its base. With Robinhood, to be honest with you, I'm not buying it at all. I just have personal reasons. I'm not going to bash Robinhood. They brought 22 million people to investing, okay? That probably wouldn't have been there. So I'm not going to bash them. I'm just not participating. I'm not going to buy it. And if I was, I wouldn't have bought it at open, okay? Let's keep it moving. Crypto is performing extremely well. The 4th of August, there's a big catalyst coming to crypto. No one really knows what type of effect it's going to be. I don't want to go into details, but I think that anything could happen with crypto, but there may be a little pullback Wednesday, okay? Not a crash, but a pullback. It may be a cool off Wednesday. So let's just wait and see. If not, I hope it doesn't, okay? Because my crypto portfolio is looking really good. Ethereum has been performing well. Remember, those of you that's been rolling with me, we only buy Ethereum we've been buying it at 1,700 and it's been blessing us, okay? So look out for crypto. My cryptos, you guys know what my top one is, ADA, and then Ethereum. What else? I got Tezos in there. I got Matic in there. I got some XRP. And then I got just a little bit of Bitcoin. I'm not buying Bitcoin these days. All right. And for those of you that's been asking about AMC, Larry, what about AMC? Number one, I cannot talk about AMC on every single video. But to let you know, I'm still holding. All right. I have every single share and I have not sold one share. Now, I'm telling you guys, you have to pick what you're ready to do. Me, I'm ready to fight this battle to the end. And I know that this could go for the rest of the year. I'm just keeping it real. And if you're not ready for that, then you don't need to be in this battle, okay? And I'm just telling you that I understand the battle. You have to understand the battle. Now, am I 1,000% sure we're going to win? No, I'm not 1,000% sure we're going to win. But I believe in my heart of hearts that we are. And I'm not doing anything until the shorts have covered, and they haven't. Okay. And so for those of you that's been asking on every single video, Ape Strong, I get it. But there's more stock than just AMC, good people. And we need to look at this other stuff. But having said that, I have every share. And you should only be investing money that you can afford to lose. Now, if you're investing money you could afford to lose, and you ask me, Larry, what are you doing? I'm going to tell you, Larry is holding strong. All right. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. Okay. And so that's all I have to say about that. It's not about evaluations with AMC. I got to say this. It's not about evaluations. This is about a movement. Okay. And so don't try to evaluate, because you'll hear people saying it's worth $5. Okay. But I want to change the game. And in order to change the game, you got to make a bold stand. I took a bold stand, and there's a million other apes out there. I don't know the number. I'm just saying that have taken the same stand that I have. Some much smaller, some much bigger, but we're standing together. And I know you're going, hey, you're going to be covering fundamentals next week and going over stock. I know, but AMC is different. Okay. It's a movement. So let's take this AMC out of stocks and put it on its own shelf, because that's what it is. But this coming week, we're going to be discussing some things that a lot of people have been asking about. And I did bring in a licensed professional. Okay. I'm going to keep it short. I'm going on. All right, people, we will see you probably tomorrow. Okay. Live, love. Oh yeah. Check out all my links below. My Instagram, my Webull link. They are $5 to open up an account, fractional shares. They're going to give you more than $5 in free stock, pre and post market trading, everything you need in a platform. Webull has it. Deposit just $5 and get up to $2,300 in free stock. All right, good people, cutting off right there. See you later.